Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. Today we have a gorgeous 2008 Hummer H2 Luxury. Not your average H2 either. It's got a little over 32,000 miles. Always garage kept, never driven in the winter. Sitting on 22-inch dubs with like brand new tires. Got a cold air intake. Custom seats, which are heated and have massage. Moonroof, DVD, chrome door handles. Third row seat. It's got a full third row back there. Corsa Exhaust. Sounds really nice. You just don't see them like this anymore. Beautiful undercarriage. Tow package has never been used. These are custom seats. It's got like a carbon fiber accent. It's silver. Beautifully done. DVD entertainment system, humongous moonroof, automatic lights, heated seats. Also has this road control. It gives you different options as far as heat and massage. Pretty cool. Showing 32,296 miles. Navigation loaded. Gorgeous truck. Monster moonroof. We have original owner's manuals, both headsets, remote control. It's got rear heated seats as well. Full third row. Beautiful condition. These are getting harder and harder to find in this shape. All-weather mats. No stories, no disappointments. Probably the nicest one you can find. Six-liter under the hood. And gorgeous. Not a speck of rust. No oxidation on the aluminum. Got a Volant cold air intake. Look how beautiful this truck is. It's awesome. Gorgeous. Well guys, thanks for joining us today. Again, my name is Mike from Weeby Autos. Feel free to give me a call. I'm at 631-339-0399. You can also check out more pictures, information, and detail on our main website. That's weebyautos.com. Thanks for joining us today and have a great day.